Today is September 1st, 2025, Labor Day, and we're down here with about 7 or 8 Aloha ambassadors just doing some work to supplement the services of the state of Hawaii. Senator Moriwaki has requested that we come down and just do some pressure washing, graffiti removal, trash pickup, and just giving the place a little bit of TLC. It's just part of an ongoing effort to bring the work of the Aloha ambassadors to some of the adjacent areas that we don't currently work in.
We've got 6 total. All guys volunteered to come out here to do it. It wasn't a problem to get them to come out here. They were excited to come out here, as well as the people are excited to have us out here. We were going to possibly do pressure washing. We're definitely doing cleaning, which means graffiti removal, trash pickup. We're helping WA out by painting over their graffiti that's all over their dumpsters, because there's so many of them out here. People are tired of seeing it. And I'm really proud to be out here, part of this cleanup. And hopefully I'll be able to come out here on all the other ones.
This has been long in the making, and I want to thank Dave, you, and Trevor, and the ambassadors, because this is the entry to Waikiki, and we have been neglecting it for so long. So I wanted to see what you folks are doing, and I'm very pleased with all of the work that's going on. I'm looking forward to a great partnership. I think the private nonprofits can do so much more because they can see what's going on. You have the ambassadors have really spruced up Waikiki, and I'd like to see the same thing continue all the way through the rest of this special improvement district. And I know this is going to be a growing partnership to make this really as beautiful as it should be. So thank you very much.